Hello, preparedness people, and welcome to the Bigs Prep. If it's your first time here, hello, and if you're returning, thank you so much for supporting my new channel. It's been a very busy week here on the Bigs homestead/household, so let's get right into it. While you're watching, comment down below what your prep of the week was. I am so excited to know. First stop of the week was our local feed and hardware store, East Marion Feeds. We needed fertilizer for our 2022 and 2023 gardening season. We picked up these seeds. Mr. Biggs is obsessed with growing corn. I don't know why. I'm excited to try these Ruger tomatoes. The best thing about East Marion Feeds is if you start seedlings, she will buy them from you or sell them on consignment. Using our garden budget, we picked up this bag of 666 fertilizer and these 2 containers of Miracle-Gro and plant food. If you haven't seen my video on the upcoming fertilizer shortage, I'll put it in the eye in the sky here. About 3 months ago, we acquired a feral kitten. She has been a great addition to the homestead. She's just tame enough and a great hunter. We already had her fixed. No kittens for her.
She's our other farm cat. She is almost 13 years old. She has been here for the whole 13 years. Yeah, when I got her, her ears weren't even open. Her mom got hit by a car. So she has lived outside for 13 years. She's an amazing cat, but she's starting to slow down a little bit. So, so we got Tink. Cookie. Cookie's in the garden.
The fall garden is pumping out mustard greens, kale, and kohlrabi. We have had tons of peppers. Mr. Biggs has been enjoying those with his breakfast. The green bean plants are so healthy this year, I am proud to say. I put all the green beans from our harvest in this beef stew. It was delicious. Another round of kale went through the dehydrator. I love dehydrated kale. I literally sprinkle it on anything, and now my jar is full. Have you ever tried dehydrating? What's your favorite thing to dehydrate?
It's up here, big raccoon. That's a raccoon, big one. Yeah. See, look. We put his paws up here.
Unfortunately, part of living in the National Forest is dealing with predators. We lost our rooster and one of our hens this week. We ended up pulling out 4 raccoons and 2 possums from the chicken pen area. As it gets colder, this is just something that we have to deal with. Mr. Biggs did set down some traps and others were dispatched. Here's a funny shot of a hen that got caught in one of the traps. How do you deal with predators on your homestead? Let me know in the comments down below. I picked up a ham this week, $14.82. I didn't think that was too bad. Another night, 5 beautiful meal preps, which would be dinner, lunch. So 2 dinners, 2 lunches, 4 meals, 5 of those, and a delicious ham bone with some scraps for ham and beans. We should get about 28 meals out of that ham. Breaking down the numbers, it's 52 cents for protein per meal. I think that's really good. Thank you so much for sticking around until the end of the video. I'm so proud of my little dehydrated kale. Look, you can see the 2 different varieties of kale. This is 1,000 head and this is regular. I would love to have you, so consider subscribing and leave me a comment down below. I really hope to start a prepping community in the comments. If you have tips and tricks, I'd love to hear them. Thank you again, and remember, I would rather be a year early than a day late.